Almost 30 years ago. Has it really been that long? I worked in a Cajun restaurant, and we sold hurricanes. I mean, every night we sold hurricanes. And they were bright red because they were made with this Patty O'Brien's powdered mix stuff. And it's fine. It's just not really a hurricane. So I want to show you how to make one. It's really pretty simple. You'll need two kinds of rum. I've got a light rum, just an aged cruising rum. This stuff's cheap, but it's good white rum. And then in my dark rum, I'm using Myers, but you can use whatever kind of dark rum you like. You need 2 ounces of each of these. Orange juice. All you do is put 1 ounce of orange juice in the shaker. Passion fruit juice. You can order this stuff on Amazon from Goya. You'll get 2 of these. Stuff is so good. I mean, you can drink it for breakfast. Mix it with some orange juice. It's awesome. But you'll need 2 ounces of this in the shaker. So I just added a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now, if you'd rather use lime juice out of a bottle, be my guest. I rather juice a couple or half a lime. You also need a half an ounce of simple syrup. It's just sugar and water. Now, if you want to make your own, that's the way I do it. Or you can use this stuff in a bottle from the store. That's fine too. The last ingredient was grenadine. You can use this stuff in a bottle from the grocery store. That's fine. It won't taste the same. But it's really easy to make. If you've never seen how to do it online, I'm glad to make a video if somebody wants me to. But it's really simple. It's just pomegranate juice, sugar, some pomegranate molasses, and then a little flavoring. Like I use rose water, but everybody uses something different. That's all that goes in this. Then we're going to shake it up. This is a hurricane glass. Aptly named, right? Strain over fresh ice. That's the color they're supposed to be. That, my friends, is a hurricane. And regardless of what anybody tells you, it still qualifies as a tiki drink. Like, share, and subscribe. Eat and drink fabulous. And I'll see you on the next one.